you all are absolutely good and taking care of yourself and doing your work properly. Welcome back to our EVS class. So students, in the previous session, I have given you the homework to do the worksheet, right? And we had started chapter number 10, that is story of food, right? The story of food. हम किसके बारे में बात कर रहे हैं? फूड के बारे में. In the previous session we had started with the new chapter, that is story of food. So in this session again we will continue with that chapter. Okay students, and we will do the revision part along with this, as chapter number 4 test is done. Now we'll start the revision of chapter number 5. Today I will give you the homework to learn that chapter. Okay, in the end I will tell you what you have to learn. So students, in the previous session, chapter number 10, I told you about the food, like where does food come from? Food कहाँ से आता है, right? I told you about the some food come from plants and some food come from animals. So we were talking about firstly food come from plants. Food comes from plants. जो food plants से आता है हम उसकी बात कर रहे थे, right? And I told you about the so many things which we get from plants, like I told you about the vegetables, fruits, spices, oil, medicine, cereal. These things we get from plants, but one by one we have like study about each and everything. So I told you about the vegetables only, right? So today we will continue this again. Before that, now what is the password? Password of the day is licorice. Licorice is a medicinal plant which is used to cure the cough and cold. Licorice, L-I-Q-U-O-R-I-C-E, licorice, and it is also known as muleti. It is also known as muleti. So children, now we will continue this chapter. I will tell you about in brief about the fruits, spices, oil, medicines and cereals. Then again we will move to the like food which come from animals, right? So students, now just look at here. I am talking about the fruits first. Fruits. You all love fruits, right? Fruits are very tasty and we get fruits from plants. As I told you about the parts of plants, right? I told you about the parts of plants. In that I told you one thing, that flower, and then I told you about the fruits. फ्लावर से फिर क्या बनता है, वहां पर फ्रूट्स बनते हैं, राइट? वो फ्रूट्स हमें कैसे मिल रहे हैं? फ्रॉम द प्लांट्स, and those fruits are very tasty and we get these fruits from the parts of plant. ये हमारे plant का एक part है fruit जो हमें plant से मिल रहा है. As I told you, in the vegetables like tomato and brinjals are fruit, but we are using them as a vegetable. They are vegetable but it is a part of plant. अगर हम बात करें, it is fruit, right? So this was about the fruits. Like fruits are very tasty. Like we eat fruits, apples, bananas, oranges, papaya. These are so many fruits which you love to eat. सारे tasty होते हैं ना, आप सबको पसंद है ना ये fruits. So this was about the fruits. We get fruits from plants. Now the next I'm talking about here spices. See, spices. We get spices from plants as well. So many spices are there, like chili, clove, turmeric, black pepper, right? Ginger, and black pepper, ginger, and coriander. So these are some like spices which we use in our daily life in to make the food tasty. Chili like mirchi, clove जिसे हम लौंग कहते हैं, turmeric हल्दी, black pepper, kali mirch, and ginger, that is adrak, coriander like धनिया के seeds भी हम use करते हैं. We are using coriander leaves also in our food. So these are the some spices we use in our daily life, like cumin also you can add on, cumin seeds. So these are the spices, okay, we are using them in our daily life, and it makes the food very tasty. It makes the food very tasty. After that, I will tell you about the oil. Now for that, see the another bowl. Okay, students, our next one is, that is oil. About oil, I am gonna tell you. So oil, we obtain oil from the seeds of the plants. Plants के जो seeds होते हैं, हमें उससे oil मिलता है. So we get groundnut oil, mustard oil, sunflower oil, coconut oil, neem oil, tea tree oil. So these are the name of some oils which we get from the seeds of the plants. Plants के seeds से हमें इनके क्या मिलते हैं, हमें oil obtain होता है, oil मिलता है. So we are using these oils in our daily life, right? So we get fruits, vegetables, oil, and one more thing I told you about, spices, all from the plants. किससे मिल रही है हमें? Plants. Now what you have to do, like आपको देखना है आपके घर में for the cooking which oil you are using, which oil your mother is using, and for your hair champi, which oil your mother is using, which oil you are applying on your head. And one more thing, students, like the oil which we are using in cooking, like we are using also olive oil, some are using olive oil also, some are using mustard oil in cooking, some are using coconut oil in cooking. So these are the some oils which we are using in our daily life for the cooking, and those cooking oils are known as edible oils. उनको हम क्या बोलते हैं? Edible oils. Oils which we are using in cooking, जिसको हम cooking में use करते हैं, that is edible oil. Now what you have to do, after this class you will go and see in the kitchen which oil is your mother using for the cooking, edible oil, and then you will find out like which oil you are applying on your head. It can be coconut oil from Parachute, it can be like almond oil from Bajaj. So you should know आप कौन सा oil apply कर रहे हैं. Clear? So this was about the oil which we obtain from the seeds of the plants. Understand? Okay. After that, medicines. Now I will tell you about the medicines that we get from plants. Medicines. Yes. So as you all know, except some tablets, we are using some home remedies to cure ourselves from many things. Like in COVID-19, your mama must have given you some kada. So that is just like medicines which we get from the plants. जो हमें कहाँ से मिल रही हैं? Plant से. So students, like I can tell you about tulsi, right? Tulsi, and the password is licorice. And licorice is the mulathi. Tulsi leaves we are using, right? So these are the things which we use to cure our like cold and cough. We are using licorice and we are using tulsi also for cure our cold and cough, right? So like this, so many medicinal plants are there. I will tell you one by one about each. So see, so students, a medicine like name is quinine. Its name is quinine. Quinine is used to cure malaria. ये quinine medicine किसको दी जाती है? Patient of malaria, and it obtained from the plant named cinchona plant. से हमें कौन सी medicine मिलती है? Quinine. And one plant is there named as dhatura. Dhatura plant, like Dhatura, dhatura. This plant is used to cure the disease like asthma. Like like its leaves or its seeds are used to cure from asthma. Asthma is a disease. Asthma. So, right? It was about this. Like quinine. Quinine is used. Quinine is given to the patient of malaria, and which we obtain from the plant of Cinchona. And then from the Dhatura plant, like it is a medicine to cure asthma patient. Asthma patient को ठीक करने के लिए use किया जाता है धतूरा. After that, neem, right? Neem is used to cure fever. Its leaves or its like oil from seeds are used to cure fever. Correct? So these are some plants which we are using to cure from some diseases. These plants are known as medicinal plants. Like one more I can tell you, the fruit that is named amla. It is used to cure constipation. Constipation को ठीक करने के लिए amla juice use किया जाता है. Amla juice is used for that, and more I'm telling you. So see, one more is like turmeric. Turmeric, you know, haldi, as I told you before in the spices. Turmeric is also a medicinal plant. Turmeric, it is used to cure the wounds. Like कोई भी वाउंड हो जाता है, कहीं भी हमें कोई कट आ जाए तो भी आपके पेरेंट्स क्या करते हैं, आप हल्दी उस पर लगा देते हैं, राइट? सो टर्मरिक इज like to use to cure the wounds, or if you want some glowing skin, then you should drink a half cup of milk with the haldi of 1 cup. So it is used for that, like wounds and some sprains. And students, after that is there is eucalyptus, which is known as safeda. Safeda plant, it is used to cure, like safeda is the name of a plant that is also known as eucalyptus. Eucalyptus. So see the spelling, EUCALYPTUS. Eucalyptus. So it is used to cure nose and throat disorders. जो nose और throat में जो problem होती हैं, like in our nose and in our throat, if we are facing any problem like pain or some issues, so we should eat the leaves of safeda tree, and it is also known as eucalyptus. Clear? So this was about the medicinal plant. These all are the medicinal plants जो हम घर पर like home remedy की तरह हम use करते हैं. This was about that. Okay, and after that one is pending, that is cereals, right? Cereals. So as CEREALS, cereals. So children, cereals like wheat, rice, maize, millet, these are the some cereals which contains some seeds, और उन seeds के अंदर बहुत सारा like food store होता है. So these are known as grains. ये हम क्या खाते हैं, इनको क्या बोलते हैं हम? Grains, which we are eating, like some pulses also. So these are the grains which we get from plants. Like from wheat we can make rice. Sorry, from wheat we can make chapati, bread, and we can make cakes also, right? And from rice we can make idlis, dosas. These are the some things which we make with the help of rice, maize, like makka जो हम खाते हैं. So these are the some things we get from the plants. About this, that is enough. And in the next session I will tell you about the like food which we get from animals, जो हमें animals से मिलता है fruit, उसके बारे में हम बात करेंगे. And that is all for today. What you have to do, you have to read chapter number. I'm giving you the homework properly, so you will do surely. You have to read page number of your book 58, 59 and 60. 58, 59 and 60. These 3 pages you have to read, and you have to learn bookwork homework is done. You have to learn very short question answer of lesson number 5. So that is all for today, and we'll meet you soon in the next session. Bye bye. Take care.